Dear friend, let's go through the ingredients for the chicken shawarma or chicken wrap. I have Lebanese bread, ginger, garlic, black pepper, salt, mayonnaise, turmeric, homemade seasoning powder, chili powder, and curry powder. And this one is onion and garlic powder. Then, of course, my chicken, lettuce, cucumber, green pepper, tomatoes, and onion. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. Dear friend, I'm going to use chicken drumstick. I have already deboned them. I prefer drumstick or thigh to chicken breast because it's juicier, tastier, and much better for shawarma and chicken wraps. But that's my suggestion. If you want to go for chicken breast, go for it because that one also is easier to work on it. You don't have to debone it. Dear friend, I'm going to marinate the chicken. And for the dry spices, I use 2 teaspoons of each. The black pepper and salt you have to put to taste according to how much you want the salt to be. And then the black pepper and the garlic and onion each is about 1.5 tablespoons. I have added about 2 tablespoons of oil to the chicken to make the marinating easier, and I will keep it in the fridge for about 2 hours so that the ingredients will penetrate to every part of the chicken. Dear friend, I am going to make sauce for the chicken shawarma. The purpose are one, for spreading on the bread so that it can bind well. Also to prevent or serve as a barrier to prevent the chicken from soaking the bread, and also to make the bread or the shawarma juicy. The ingredients are lemon juice, garlic, black pepper, and mayonnaise. Ingredients are set: mayonnaise, vegetables, bread, and chicken. The bread is a bit stiff, so apply heat on each side for 5 seconds, then it will be softer for you to roll it. It's back. Apply the garlic mayo sauce on it. Don't be stingy, put enough on it, and then divide the bread with your eye into 4. Add the vegetable at the last quarter, or the quarter that is closer to you, and the chicken, and then add more sauce on the ingredient to make it juicy and garlicky. Then after that, you roll it gently. I nearly forgot to add the garlic sauce, some garlic and mayo sauce, so I'm adding more to it to make it more tastier. And when you roll it gently, you put it in the pan on both sides to make it more softer, more binding, and more beautiful. Dear friend, the pan is hot. Just toast each side 10 to 15 seconds to make sure the outer part of the bread is crunchy and the inside with the ingredients will be fluffy and juicy. Cut it into 2 and then arrange it the way you want it on the plate. Edges ne go asano. And to come I am adding fried yam as a side order to it, but I didn't show how to make the fried yam because I have a video of it on this channel, and I'm using the garlic mayo as a dip. I know you'll try this at home. Thank you for watching.